The great white shark is one of the most fascinating and feared creatures of the ocean. This magnificent animal is known for its enormous size, powerful jaws, and aggressive behavior. In this video, we will explore the incredible world of the great white shark, its biology, behavior, and conservation. First, let's talk about the physical characteristics of the great white shark. This creature is one of the largest predatory fish in the ocean, with an average length of 15 feet and a weight of 2,000 pounds. They are easily identified by their distinctive torpedo-shaped bodies, pointed snouts, and powerful tails. Their skin is grayish-white in color and covered in rough scales called dermal denticles, which act as armor to protect them from injury and reduce drag as they move through the water. Now let's talk about the behavior of the great white shark. They are apex predators, which means they are at the top of the food chain in their ecosystem. They feed on a variety of prey, including fish, seals, sea lions, and sometimes even other sharks. Great whites are known for their ability to breach out of the water when hunting, launching themselves at their prey with incredible speed and power. While they are fearsome predators, great white sharks are not indiscriminate killers. In fact, they have very specific hunting strategies and are extremely intelligent animals. They use their senses, including their incredible sense of smell, to locate prey and assess their surroundings. They also exhibit social behavior, such as breaching and biting, during mating season. Despite their formidable reputation, great white sharks are in danger due to human activities such as overfishing, pollution, and climate change. The species is currently listed as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. There are several conservation efforts underway to protect great white sharks, including tagging and tracking programs to study their behavior and movements, and efforts to reduce bycatch in fishing nets. Great white sharks are also known to migrate long distances to find food, mates, and breeding grounds. They are found in many areas of the world, including the waters off the coasts of South Africa, Australia, California, and Hawaii. In South Africa, there is a famous location called Seal Island where great white sharks gather to hunt seals, making it a popular destination for shark cage diving tours. Despite their impressive size and power, great white sharks face threats from human activities such as trophy hunting and accidental entanglement in fishing gear. In some countries, great white sharks are still hunted for their fins, which are used in traditional Chinese medicine and as a delicacy in some cultures. This practice is unsustainable and threatens the survival of the species. Conservation efforts are crucial for protecting great white sharks and their habitats. Marine protected areas can help to ensure that critical habitats are preserved and that fishing and other human activities are managed sustainably. Education and public awareness campaigns can also help to promote a greater understanding of the importance of these amazing animals and the role they play in marine ecosystems. In addition to their ecological significance, great white sharks are also important cultural symbols. They have been featured in many movies, books, and other forms of media, often portrayed as fearsome monsters of the deep. However, as our understanding of these animals grows, we are beginning to appreciate their beauty, complexity, and importance to the ocean ecosystem. Great white sharks are also important indicators of the health of the ocean ecosystem. Their presence or absence can provide valuable information about the state of the marine environment. For example, declines in great white shark populations can indicate overfishing, pollution, or other threats to the ocean ecosystem. In recent years, advances in technology have allowed scientists to study great white sharks in more detail than ever before. Tracking devices attached to the shark's dorsal fins have provided insights into their movements and behavior, including their migratory patterns and preferred habitats. DNA analysis has also helped to shed light on the genetic diversity of great white shark populations around the world. One of the most interesting discoveries about great white sharks in recent years is their ability to maintain body temperature above that of the surrounding water. This is achieved through a complex system of blood vessels and muscle contractions, which allows them to regulate their body temperature even in colder waters. This adaptation gives them a competitive advantage over other marine predators and allows them to inhabit a wider range of ocean habitats. Despite their fearsome reputation, great white sharks are not invincible. They are vulnerable to many of the same threats that other marine animals face, including habitat loss, pollution, and climate change. By taking action to reduce our impact on the ocean, we can help to protect great white sharks and the ecosystems they depend on. Great white sharks are also important ecotourism attractions, with many people from around the world traveling to see them in their natural habitats. Shark cage diving tours provide a unique opportunity for people to observe these magnificent creatures up close, while also generating revenue for local communities and conservation efforts. However, it is important to ensure that ecotourism activities are conducted responsibly and sustainably. Careful management is needed to prevent disturbance of great white shark habitats and to ensure the safety of both the sharks and the people observing them. Ecotourism can provide valuable economic benefits to local communities, but it must be balanced with the need to protect the natural environment and its inhabitants. Another important aspect of great white shark conservation is the need to address the root causes of threats to their survival. This includes reducing overfishing and bycatch, addressing pollution and habitat loss, and taking action to mitigate the impacts of climate change. It also requires collaboration and coordination among governments, conservation organizations, and local communities to develop and implement effective conservation strategies. In recent years, there has been growing public awareness of the importance of great white shark conservation. This has led to increased support for conservation efforts and greater recognition of the need to protect these amazing creatures and the ecosystems they inhabit. In conclusion, the great white shark is a remarkable animal that plays a critical role in the ocean ecosystem. While they are fearsome predators, they are also vulnerable to many of the same threats facing other marine animals. By working together to reduce our impact on the ocean and protect the natural environment, we can ensure that great white sharks continue to thrive for generations to come. It is up to all of us to take action to protect these magnificent creatures and the ecosystems they call home. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and hit notification for upcoming videos.